In this video, we will walk through the entire process of installation and setup of Python. So let us begin. Let us open up any browser, Safari in my case, and type python.org. This takes us to the official site of Python. Here we have downloads, which gives the option to download the latest version of Python. I would not go ahead with this download. The reason being, though it is lightweight, there are very few libraries that this version comes with. So we will have to keep installing multiple libraries as and when we need them. Instead, let us go to a popular choice for writing Python codes, Jupyter Notebooks with Anaconda installation. I know, Anaconda sounds like an ideal companion to Python, the snake family. So I'll open up another tab here and type anaconda.org. Anaconda comes with hundreds of important libraries pre-installed, so it is going to be bulky, around half a GB of download, and it might take around 1 GB of space when it installs. I click on the download Anaconda button and this takes me to another page. Here on the right hand side, I find something written as Anaconda Individual Edition. That's what we want. Free, open source, and very efficient. There are options of Mac OS, Windows, and Linux here. By default, it has selected the Mac version for me. Let me click on the Windows icon here. Takes me to the bottom of the screen and gives me various download options. Whichever operating system you are using, ensure that you download the graphical installer. Takes us to the thank you page while it downloads. Alright, let us run the installer from the downloads folder. This pops up a new window. Introduction, click on continue. README, I am clicking on continue. The license part, which we rarely read, clicking on continue. I have to agree to the terms of software license agreement. I agree. You can now install it for everyone who uses your machine or only for your login. Select one option and say continue. Installation type, continue. A pop-up, OK, and continue. It gives me suggestions about using PyCharm. I'll just ignore it for now. Click on the final continue and installation would be done. Now you can search in the applications and you will find the green circular icon of the Anaconda navigator. Clicking on it will launch this interface. That is it. That is all we needed to install Anaconda with Python.
Interested in data analysis with Python? If you're looking for a place for expanding your knowledge and becoming an expert, Knowledgehut upGrad is your perfect partner for you to get trained and certified. With our outcome-based immersive learning approach, we are fundamentally disrupting the way new age technologies are learned. You'll get to learn, practice, assess, gain insights on your learning, and personalize your learning journey on our easy-to-navigate AI-powered skill-building platform, Prism. Stay tuned for more such videos and explore more about how you can equip yourself with immediately demonstratable in-demand skills that will help you get job ready. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.